Hi, what's happening? What's happening with you? Where's your robot? May robot daw siya. Where's your robot?
What are you?
Where's your robot? What's that? Introduce it to them. Huh? What? Where? Show us. Oh, is that your robot? What is your... He's sweeping the floor. May robot na kami.
He's following me.
Really? Where? He's following me. Boink.
Boy,
Boink. He's mine.
boy, the robot is bumping.
Go to my room, robot. I need you there. My room is very dirty. Come here, robot. Go to my room. Clean my room, please. Boink. Hoy, don't put him in the ano, rag. In a rag. Remove the rug first. Come, give it to me. Can I borrow the mop? It's a mop. It's a robot mop. Give it to mommy. Diba? Hindi ko kailangan ng mga istorbo dito sa bahay. Mga ganyan lang. Napapalitan yung mga ngayon. Mga taong diba? Robot na lang. Kaysa kasama sa bahay. Mas masipag pa yung robot. Ay, naku. Anli galaw. Diyos ko. Hindi pa makikialam ng buhay ng may buhay. Diyos ko. Hindi pa makikialam ng love life ng may love life. Diba? Where's the robot? Hi, Mr. Robot. It's nice. You're cleaning our house. Show it to Ate Cheche. Ate Cheche, look. We can replace you na, Ate Cheche. There's a robot here. About mommy, I don't have work na anymore too. I cannot sweep the floor. He's taking charge of our floor na. Oh, diba? Pick up the mess. Robot na lang tayo.
Nalilinis yan?
Oo. Ayaw mo?
Wow. The fire extinguisher. Okay.
Hi, my robot. Clean me. Ah, diba? Ang galing niya, oh. Pag bumabanda, umuusog siya kagad. Diba? Hindi ka tulad ng mga chismosang kasama mo sa bahay. Pag bumanda, chichismisin lalo. Buti pa tong robot na to, tahimik sa bahay, che. Buti pa tong robot na to, tahimik sa bahay kasama, no?
Sana all.
Sana all.
Sana all may tagalinis na ng floor. Yung plastic hindi na maano ko.
Robot na lang. Let's go. Dami sinasabi nito. Holo, pinasuksok pa niya dun sa dulo.
Alam niya na may karat siya.